Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you will edit. Sign in if needed. Once done, locate the sign object or insert a part and add a surface GUI for text. This is faster than creating complex models. Make sure Explorer and Properties are visible so you can access instances instantly. Next, add a text label inside the surface GUI, set its size and position, and keep the anchor point consistent. This sets up the editable area for the sign. Now you edit the text label. Text property, type the words you want and adjust font, text size, and text color 3 to fit the sign. If you need responsive text, enable text scaled or use rich text for bold and line breaks. This controls how it looks on different devices. For interactive signs, add a local script or script that sets text label. Text at runtime and reference the object via script. Parent or wait for child. This makes signs dynamic, so players see changing messages or localized content. Finish by testing in Play and device emulators to confirm alignment and readability. Make adjustments to text transparency or size if letters clip. Once satisfied, publish or save a version and duplicate the sign for backup. This prevents losing work. If things go wrong, verify the sign is parented correctly, confirm scripts have no runtime errors, and ensure text label properties aren't overridden by themes or plugins. Addressing those 3 areas fixes most issues quickly, so your sign displays as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.